Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have booked 24,330 rupees guys, but some scary shit has happened today. I'll tell you, it'll be a little bit interesting. I've punched three orders, right? But you see only two positions were there. And you see there are these three orders. I've executed one put side and two on call side. You know, I have seen at one point 55K drawdown. I'll tell you, if you closely monitor, closely observe the price here, you will get to see that what has happened today. So, my bias was going in the day, my bias was, bullish only. Why I was bullish? Why? What was the reason? I had typical reasons for it. Because if you see, the classic bullish pattern is this, guys. What is that? You see the previous first week of June. This is the month's opening candle, June's opening candle. Okay, this is the candle, and it has given a low. This is the low. First week's low is this, and then previous week, what market has done? It has manipulated the low, which means, for example, market has opened this month here. It has generated a low. It has given some sort of bullish expansion. This is the first week. In the second week, what has happened? Market has taken out the lows of the first week. I mean, this is the month low, June's low. This low has been taken out and closed above the previous week. I mean, first weeks within the week of first. That is what happened here. Like, market has opened here. It has generated a low. It has closed somewhere here. Previous week, market has opened here. It has taken out the low of first week of June and then closed above. And this is a classic pattern that we could see some sort of bullishness towards the market. But then, as we see, this is an engulfing candle. We are not sure. Well, market might go down or something like that. But in what I am expecting, the market to remain bullish and take out the eyes of the previous week. And at the same time, if you go to, I think, where is it? It's in 12. Same scenario here. Yeah, I think, yeah. So I was bullish here, but then what has happened when we opened market here? You know, this is the first candle. When we opened here, I have seen the liquidity towards the left side. You see this liquidity, guys. So I have seen this, and that is where I have executed the put option towards the downside. So that is what I mean. But then I didn't get conviction for me to go short because this is very tricky area. I'm willing to go bullish, but then I have shorted here. It doesn't make sense. It's not like market should not go from here, but then it's very obvious that the whoever is bullish, they are waiting for some sort of retracements or some sort of manipulation towards into this rejection block. This is all a rejection block. So I thought that the my idea could go wrong. So it's not like every time you take out the liquidity and go short. It's not like that, right? So I thought I might be wrong. So let's better exit out of the position. That's why you see this cost to cost position here. You see this cost to cost. Uh, Even at break even, I have come out of the position. And this is the major position that has given me tremendous losses. Of course, you don't see it reflect in the P&L, but then in the order book, if you see at 9:33, I've executed the call option, 1500 quantity at 317. And then I have held it for almost 30 points or 37 points, and I was still holding at 948. You could see I thought that my bias is wrong and I could go wrong because even though whatever your plan is right, we are not sure the time of momentum, because it might go all of a sudden from here itself, and it might come down, take out the lows of here, these swings, and then can start going up here, or today could be a manipulation, just can fall down and stay inside the sideways in the inside this zone. So we are not sure of that. So that is why I thought, like, okay, let's take the loss. This loss is not what I was anticipating or expecting. I should have cut my losses, but then I was so sure about the bullish bias that I couldn't exit. These are the days that test the patience, that test the the discipline that you have been building all over through the trading career, but then there comes one day that results the catastrophe. So this is not what we want, guys. Even what I did is very wrong on my part itself. This is not the way. Even though I'm wrong, I should know where is my invalidation level. Yeah, the problem is that the invalidation level is too low, that I had to hold all the way. I had to hold all this move because I've executed somewhere here. You see at 9:38. Where is 9:38? Yeah, somewhere in this bar I've executed the buy position, and I had to hold all through this because my invalidation level is somewhere beneath here, because I know at least market could come down, take out this liquidity sweep, and then it can ramp up. But then we are not sure. That is what I'm saying. It's very tricky. It literally is tricky. But then I know that my bias is bullish today, so that is why I've held the position, and I have taken a loss, blatant loss. See here, 317 at 280 average, and then I have taken a re-entry in the same strike price at 956, and then I have held it for almost half an hour. That is where I made this huge chunk of money, 23K. If I had held it, I would have made more, but I don't want that. I don't want to hold for more long, even though there is a high probability, high conviction, and every other stuff. But then I didn't want to hold it because I want the discipline. The other thing which gave me conviction to hold the trade is this in 30 minutes chart. Because if you see, this is the first candle, 30 minutes candle. The second candle has swept the liquidity of first candle and then closed above. So that is where I thought that this is the time for us to make an entry. And even before the close of this candle, I have made the entry, and then I held all through here. So my exit was somewhere 339, 340. So I've closed the position here. But then if you see, market has given almost like how many points? Almost 90 points. So we are not. That is what I'm telling. We are not here to focus on the home runs. We are here to only capture some decent points on a daily basis. So that is how I've booked at 339.97, close to 340. So what helped me today, what didn't help me today is, even though my put direction was right, I have closed the trade manually because I overthought. So this also is possible. Like you overthink, because I thought all the people who have gone shorts, seeing this engulfing bar might get trapped. So that is when I have executed my call position here, and I had to hold this encounter losses, book losses here, and then taken re-entries here in this bar. I think 357 something this bar, and I've held through this momentum. So only bias helped me, nothing much to discuss today. Even I had a great entry in Bank Nifty also. To my surprise, even Bank Nifty has offered me some sort of entry. I think 15 minutes. Yes, it's in the 15 minutes. You see, I've told you the classic accumulation, manipulation, distribution pattern, right? You see the first two candles, those are inside candles. And the third candle has manipulated the lows of the day, opening day's candle, and then closed above. So this is like, accumulation, manipulation, and closed above, and distribution. Exact pattern that has reflected here. You see, accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. And you could target the swing highs or these relatively equal highs. So you could do that. But I was not focusing on Bank Nifty chart while I was busy with the Nifty only. So that's it for now, guys. I hope. I'm wishing that I should not repeat such mistakes anymore. Even if I had held my first position, put position itself, I would have made some decent profit. I would have come out of the markets then and there itself. But then, seeing 55K in losses in MTM, that's really is not okay for me. Mentally, it's very tricky. So that's it, guys. That's it for now. I hope you learned something from this video. Please give me any sort of feedback, like what you're expecting from me. Like every day, I'm posting my PNLs, MTMs. I know that, what do you do with the PNLs? Whether I make money, it doesn't make money. It's not the point. So what I can help you, what you can understand from me is that how to capture some fixed amount of points on a daily basis. Even whatever your strategy might be, it doesn't have to be an ICT. It could be any strategy, guys. Just focus on, capturing fixed points. For that, you need precision. And you need to sit and work on yourself to figure out how you could achieve the precision, like where exactly you need to enter, what rules will not give you the perfect scenario to execute. So what roles invalidate and everything. And sometimes shit like today happens to everyone. Even shit has happened to me also. I was lucky enough to hover through the market and then come out with decent profits for today. But then no, this is what we need to understand, guys. It's not about I myself. I'm telling that I'm criticizing myself that the behavior that I've shown today is not okay. Is not okay to any long-term, consistently profitable trader, no matter how much money they are earning. So keep your risk intact. For I mean, these are the words that I'm saying to me myself. Keep risk intact. Focus on capturing high probability trades. Just capture small returns, small points. Just repeat the cycle over and over again and again, and you will see for yourself uh, how well you will be doing in the trading career, guys. So that's it for now. Uh, please let me know what you want from my side. You want educational videos or anything? I don't know how to contribute also. Please ask, guys. If you have anything, please ask. Okay, if you don't ask, how would I know what you are in need of? I'll try to help you as much as possible. So okay, guys, see you on the next one. So take care. Bye bye.